Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my entire living space with just a few simple decor ideas overnight. We're all guilty of feeling like our homes are stuck in a rut, lacking that wow factor that we see in magazines or on social media. It's easy to get complacent with our surroundings, especially when life gets busy. But what if I told you that it doesn't take a massive overhaul or a professional designer to breathe new life into your space? Sometimes, it's the little things that can make a huge impact. Clutter can build up quickly, and before we know it, our once peaceful home is starting to feel overwhelming. And then there are those times when we just feel uninspired, like we're stuck in a decorating rut. We've all been there, standing in a room that just doesn't feel like us anymore. The truth is, our homes should be a reflection of our personalities and styles. When they don't feel that way, it can be really frustrating. But here's the thing, you don't need to rip everything out and start from scratch to make a big change. Simple swaps and thoughtful additions can make all the difference. Let's talk about some easy decor ideas that can completely revamp your home environment overnight. One of my favorite things to do is add bold colors through throw pillows, blankets, or even a statement piece of furniture. It's amazing how a pop of color can instantly brighten up a room. Another game changer is creative lighting. Table lamps, floor lamps, or string lights can add warmth and ambience to any space. Using mirrors strategically can also make a huge impact. Placing a mirror opposite a window can bounce natural light around and make a room feel brighter and more spacious. And then there's furniture placement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts until you find one that feels just right. You might be surprised at how a fresh configuration can open up your entire living area. One simple yet effective idea is to bring in plants. Not only do they purify the air and improve the aesthetic, but they can also add a touch of personality to any room. And if you're short on space, consider a vase or container with fresh flowers. It's a quick and easy way to add some color and fragrance to your home. I've got a great example of a dramatic transformation that I want to share with you. Imagine a living room that's dark, dated, and just plain tired. With a few simple changes, a fresh coat of paint, some new lighting, and a statement piece of furniture, it can be turned into a bright, airy space that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The before and after transformation is incredible. It's amazing what a few thoughtful changes can do to completely flip the script on a room. And the best part, it's totally doable on your own, without breaking the bank or calling in a professional. In summary, making significant changes to your home environment is easier than you think. With a few simple decor ideas and some creative thinking, you can give your space a total overhaul overnight. So, what are you waiting for? If you've got a favorite decor success story, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more home improvement tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other video on. Thanks for joining me on this decorating adventure, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.